ॐ खानिलाज्ञब्धरित्यन्दं सत्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So far we saw there are two entities, Atma and Anatma. Anatma cannot be Ashraya or Vishaya of Ajnanam. Some hetus were given between Anatma and Ajnana. Ashraya Ashrayi Sambandha is not possible. Ajnana Janya Samshaya Viparyaya is not possible in Anatma. Anatma is Ajnana Karya. Therefore, it cannot be Ajnana Ashraya. And Ajnanam is the one on which Anatma depends. So, Anatma is Ashrita in Ajnana. That Anatma Ashrita Ajnana cannot be Ashraya of Ajnana. And for these reasons, it cannot be Vishaya also. So that there was one line which I felt I did not do very good justice. I'll just explain. On 107, it was सम्यक ज्ञान निरसनीय आकार अतिरिक्त अज्ञान विषयत्व योग्य आकारांतर असंभवाच्च न अनात्म विषयम अज्ञानम संभवति इत्यर्थः. दिस लाइन in टीका. सम्यक ज्ञान निरसनीय. Samyak Jnanam will be of Shukti. If Shukti Vishayaka, this is Drishtanta. If Shukti Vishayaka Ajnanam is there, it will be eliminated by Shukti Vishayaka Samyak Jnana. Shukti Ajnanam will produce Shukti Rupya, Shukti Rajata. So Shukti Jnanena Nirasaniya will be Shukti Rajata, Shukti Rupya. सम्यक ज्ञान निरसनीय आकार is of शुक्ति रूप्य. तद अतिरिक्त आकार is of शुक्ति. Its अज्ञान विषयत्व योग्य आकार. So शुक्ति has अज्ञान विषयत्व योग्य आकार, which is different from शुक्ति रूप्य, which will be eliminated by सम्यक ज्ञान. Other than that, आकारांतर असंभवात. So this is in Drishtanta. In Darshtanta, so how we should take this Drishtanta is by the Ajnanam of Vyavaharik Vastu, there is projection of Pratibhasik Vastu. Ajnanam of Vyavaharik Vastu will project Pratibhasik Vastu. प्रातिभासिक वस्तु will be eliminated only by व्यावहारिक वस्तु ज्ञान. In the same way, व्यावहारिक projection, when vyavaharik vastu is also mithya, we want to prove that vyavaharik vastu is a projection of atma ajnanam. Atma ajnanam means atma alone can be the vishaya of that ajnanam where vyavaharik projection comes. That vyavaharik projection can be eliminated only when ajnana vishaya is atma. If ajnana vishaya is atma, then jnana vishaya also will be
Atma.
Atma.
jnana vishaya will be atma. Then only the vyavaharika prapancha will be eliminated. Other than that, any other ajnana vishayatva is not possible. That is what that line said. And therefore, anatma vishayam ajnanam na sambhavati. Then he proved that, so what he proved was ajnanam will have atma as its ashraya, atma as its vishaya. One. He also proved anatma cannot be ashraya of ajnanam, anatma cannot be vishaya of ajnanam. So now he has to prove, if anatma cannot be ashraya vishaya of ajnanam, how atma can be ashraya vishaya of ajnanam? Earlier he said only parisheshya. If anatma cannot be the ashraya vishaya of ajnanam, what remains is atma. So therefore atma will be ashraya vishaya of ajnanam. But parisheshyat is only one way of solving the problem. Instead, each individual reason that we saw, that it is because of these reasons, anatma cannot be ajnana ashraya vishaya. Atma does not have those problems. Therefore, atma can be ajnana ashraya vishaya. So those things he proved after the Soham quotation in the Tika. And therefore, atma can be ashraya vishaya of ajnana. That was proved. I am not revising each detail because then it will be as good as doing the whole session again. Maybe after the whole thing, we will try to do some more recap. Now we have to continue from Mam Aham Janami. So, Purvapakshi asked that even if Atma is Ajnana Ashraya Vishaya, but in Loka it is not seen that the same Vastu will be Ashraya and Vishaya. Same Vastu is Ashraya and Vishaya of Ajnanam. Chaitra has Ajnanam for Ghata. Maitra has Ajnanam for Pata. So Ashraya is different, Vishaya is different. So how you say one thing is both? So it was said Samadhatte. Samadhatte. What is the dhatu?
Dudhai. Kartari lit.
Dudhai, Dharana Poshana Yoga. Kartari lat, not lit. Lat lakar.
लट् आत्मनेपद।
आत्मनेपद। ये जुहोत्यादिगण धातु, सो श्लू विकर्ण प्रत्यय श्लू, श्लू श्लौ will do with dha dha, and hraswa, so dha dhate, the first dha will become the, it will become dha again, and second dha will become dha, it will become the. Shnabhyasthayor atah abhyase charcha dadhasthathoshcha. Dadhasthathoshcha will make dhakara into dakara, then kharicha dhatte. समाधत्ते, सिद्धांत की समाधान। आत्म विषयम इति ब्रूमः। टीका माम अहम जानामि, माम अहम न जानामि इति च ज्ञानाज्ञानयोर एकाश्रय विषयत्वस्यापि लोके दर्शनात्। I know myself, I don't know myself. माम अहम जानामि, माम अहम न जानामि। So when I say mam aham janami, what is the ashraya?
Aham.
And what is the vishaya?
Aham.
And it is ashraya and vishaya of what?
Jnanam.
Jnanam. Because it's janami. When I say mam aham na janami, then I am ashraya vishaya of ajnana. Iti cha in the loka jnana ajnana yoho ekashraya vishayatwasyapi loke darshan. So it is seen one and the same thing can be ashraya and vishaya of jnanam as well as ajnana. But generally these expressions are only in spiritual world. I don't know myself, no common man will say in the loka vyavahara. In the same way, I know myself, that expression is of not much relevance in the world. In the spiritual context only they use these words. Darshanat. Aham iti, how now he says. Aham iti sadharana akarena pratyamana akarasya api आत्मनो अद्वितीय आनंदाकारेण अप्रतीयमानस्य अनुभव सिद्धत्वात्. This is अनुभव सिद्ध. What is our अनुभव? I know myself as aham. साधारण आकारेण माम अहम जानामि. But I don't know myself as अद्वितीय आनंद स्वरूप. So there mam aham na jana. So in one and the same thing, jnanam and ajnanam both are possible. This is anubhava siddha, which is true. I know myself that I am. I don't know myself as advitiya, ananda swarup. अहम मनुष्य इति विभ्रमे अहम इति साधारण आकारेण प्रतीयमानस्य देह व्यतिरिक्त असाधारण स्वभावेन अप्रतीयमानस्य परैः अपि अभ्युपेयत्वात्. अहम मनुष्य, when someone thinks, is a भ्रांति. अहम this साधारण आकारेण प्रतीयमानस्य. What is pratiyamana? When he says aham manusya means deha. But deha vyatirikta vastu asadharana swabhavena apratiyamanas vastu. What is different from body is not known to anybody. And this person also doesn't know. Deha vyatirikta asadharana swabhavena apratiyamanatvasya parairapi abhyupeyatvat. स्वीकृतत्व. And this part is accepted by other Darshanikas also. Because Advitiya Ananda Swarupa, I don't know myself. Somebody says, I said, this is only for your Advaita Vedanta Mata. Every Darshana doesn't have to use this. I am Advitiya, I am Ananda Swarupa. You say, okay. But at least Mimamsaka, Nyaya, Sankhya, they all accept that I am not the body. But they also use the expression Aham Manushya. I am not the body because I will acquire punya, then I will go to Swarga. If I am body, then where is the question of acquiring punya? So paraihi api abhyupayatvat. Ajnanasya ekashraya vishayatayam na kaschit dosha. Ajnana has one ashraya, one vishaya. In that there is no dosha. Iti bhava. Uktam evartham hetvantaravashtambhena akshipati. Now, this what is said, on that there is objection by Purvapaksha. Using a different hetu. Hetvantara avashtambhena. Avashtambha means
support.
ashraya,
Alambana.
alambana. Hetvantara avashtambhena. What is the dhatu?
Stambha.
Stambha. Stambhe. Nanu आत्मनोपि ज्ञान स्वरूपत्वात् अनन्यत्वाच्च ज्ञान प्रकृतित्वादिभ्यश्च हेतुभ्यो नैव अज्ञानं घटते. Purvapakshi says, you have proved Atma is ashraya of ajnana. But this is the most contradictory statement. Jnana Swarupa Atma is ashraya of ajnana. Because it is Jnana Swarupa, it cannot be ashraya of ajnana. One. So Jnana Swarupa Dvat. Second, Ananyatvacha. Other than Atma, there is nothing. You say that Advitiya Atma. So how can Ajnanam be there, which is Ashrita in Atma? Then Jnana Prakrutitvat. This is another hetu. Atma is Jnana Prakritika. So there is slight distinction is made between Jnana Swarupa, Jnana Prakritika. By these hetus, hetubhyaha, Atmanaha Ajnanam Naiva Ghatate. Atma cannot have Ajnanam. Atma cannot be ashraya of Ajnanam. ज्ञानाज्ञानयोस्तम प्रकाशयोरिव परस्पर विरुद्ध स्वभावत्वाद् ज्ञान स्वभावस्य आत्मनो न अज्ञान आश्रयत्वम्. ज्ञानाज्ञानयोः तम प्रकाशयोरिव. Jnana and Ajnana, they are opposed to each other like Tama and Prakasha. Paraspar viruddha svabhava. Svabhavatvat. Jnana svabhavasya atmano na ajnana ashrayata. Atma which is Jnana svabhava. It is Jnana Rupa. How can it be Ajnana Ashraya? So, Atma is of Jnana Swarupa, Jnana Swabhava. Jnana Swabhava se Atmano na Jnana Swabhava. One. Tad Ashrayatve तन निवर्तकत्व अयोगात तथा आश्रय आश्रयी भावस्य भेदगर्भत्वात् अद्वितीय च आत्मनि तदयोगात. Let us take small pieces. Tad ashrayatve. Tad ashrayatve. What is tad?
Ajnana.
Ajnana ashrayatve. Ajnana ashraya is Atma. Ajnana ashrayatve. Tan nivartakatva ayogat. That means Ajnanam again. Ajnana nivartakatva is not possible. Because it is Ashraya. How can Atma, which is Ashraya, can eliminate Ajnanam? तथा आश्रय आश्रयी भाव, because आश्रय आश्रयी भाव also depends upon Bheda. So first is that which is Ashraya cannot be its eliminator. First means second Hetu. First Hetu is because they are
Jnana Swabhava.
viruddha, therefore it cannot be Jnana Ashraya, Jnana Swabhavatva. Second is Nivartaka. Nivartya Bhava will not be possible if it is Ashraya. Third, Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava requires Dvaita. It is Bheda Garbhe. Bheda, Bhedo Garbhe Yasya. Tad Bheda Garbhatva. So, it requires difference. Atma is Advitiya. Advitiya cha Atmani Tadayogat. Bheda is not possible. Ajnana Nivartaka Pramana Jnana Karanatvacha. Ajnana Nivartaka. अज्ञान निवर्तक प्रमाण ज्ञान कारणत्वात्. अज्ञान निवर्तक is Atma. If you say Ajnana Nivartaka, Purvapakshi thinks it will be Atma. Siddhanti will say Ajnana Nivartaka is not Atma. It is Pramana Jnana. Pramana Jnana will produce Brahmakar Vritti, which is Ajnana Nivartaka. So Purvapakshi says, okay, in Brahmakar Vritti, the Vritti aspect is going to remove Ajnanam, or Chaitanya aspect is going to remove Ajnana.
Chaitanya.
So if Chaitanya aspect is going to remove Ajnanam, that Chaitanya is the Karana for Pramana Jnana. Pramana Jnana means Brahmakar Vritti. In Brahmakar Vritti, the main thing will be that Chaitanya, which is going to remove Ajnana. So Ajnana Nivartaka Pramana Jnana Karanatvacha Atmana. Tad Nivartaka Pushkala Karanavataha. Ajnana Nivartaka Pushkala Karana means the main. Pushkala means the predominant. Karana is Atma. Karanavataha, Karanavan, Savituriva Andhakara Ashrayatvasya Asambhavat. Sun, if it is Ashraya of Andhakara, That means sun is supporting andhakara. When you become ashraya means you are supporting it. If you are supporting it, how will you get rid of it? Savituriva andhakara ashrayatvasya asambhavat nivartakatva. Then asangatva nityamuktatvadi yascha hetubhyo na ajnana ashrayatva sambhava ityarthah. And also Atma is Asanga. How Ajnana can be Ashrita in Atma which is Asanga? How Ajnana can be Ashrita in Atma which is Nitya Mukta? How Atma can have Ajnana Ashrayatvam? So with all these hetus, na Ajnana Ashrayatva sambhavaha. So Jnana Prakrititvat, in the English commentary, he has given this way. Self is the source of Pramana Jnana, which removes ignorance. So therefore, it cannot be the Ashraya of Ajnana. Like this. Savituriva Andhakara. So that Hetu is for Jnana Prakrititvat. Atmana. And the first Hetu he gave, that was Jnana Swabhavatvat. Ityartha. Samadhate, Siddhanti now gives solution. Ghatate iti. It is possible. Purvokteषु हेतुषु जीवत्सु समाधानम दुर्घटम इति आक्षिपति कथम. When all the other hetus are there, purvokteषु hetushu जीवत्सु. Jivatsu, how this Jivatsu Shabda will be formed?
शत्रु प्रत्यय सप्तमी बहुवचन.
Jivat Shabda, Shatra Pratyaya. Saptami Bahuvachan. Jivatsu Samadhanam Durghatam iti Akshipati. Purvoktesh. So when all these hetus are there, how Samadhanam is possible? Purvapakshi will ask. It is not possible. Durghatam. Katham, he says. Tatra. Jnana Swabhavatva, Jnana Prakritikatvadinam, Dushananam, Sarvairapi Samadhatum Shakyatvat. Tani Upekshya. Ananyatvat iti etat samadhate. So in the Moolam, Jnana Swarupatvat, Ananyatvat, Jnana Prakrititvat, all these hetus were given. In Tika he says, Tikakar says, the Jnana Swabhavatvat, Jnana Prakritikatvat, these Dushanas that Purvapakshi showed, anybody can answer. Sarvahi api samadhatum shakyatva. So therefore he says, Acharya, Sureshwaracharya ji, is not putting forth effort to solve those hetus. Tani upeksha, he ignores them. Ananyatvat, only this hetu, samadhanam is given. Iti yata samadhate. Ajnana matra nimittatvat tad vibhagasya. In Moolam, Ajnana matra nimittatvat tad vibhagasya. Sarpatmata iva rajvaha. This vibhaga, that there is Atma and there is Ajnana. then Ajnanam is Ashrita in Atma. Ajnana has Atma as its Vishaya. All this is Ajnana Matra Nimittakam. Only because of ignorance you are talking in this language. So the division that there is Atma and Ajnana is only because of Ajnana. Ajnana Matra Nimittatva. So he answered only Ananyatvat, because it is only one. So yes, we say there is only one. All these other things, then how Ajnanam will be Ashrita in Atma? Ajnanam creates more than one. The Bheda Buddhi comes because of that. Then you continue with everything. Yadva. Or now, Mulakar doesn't say Yadva. Tikakar feels. Then all these other hetus are given. We have to give explanation. So he explains everything in Tika. Mulakar says only everything is Ajnana. Says Sarvesham api dushananam samadhanatvena ayameva grantho yojayitum shakyate. He says for all objections that are raised, same hetu can be given. Ajnana matra nimittatvad. So ayameva grantho. Ayameva grantho means ayam hetu. Or how he will do, he explains. That this is how we can solve all objections. We can resolve all objections. Tathahi. Tatra tavad yad uktam jnana svabhavatvat atmano ajnanam nopapadyate virodhat iti. Tatra kim pramana jnana svabhavatvam kim va anadi nidhana sakshi chaitanya svabhavatvam iti vikalpya आद्यम प्रत्याह अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्व. Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, Tatra tavat yad uktam, what you said, jnana svabhavatvat atmano ajnanam no papadyate. Jnana svabhavatvat. Atma is jnana svabhava. That was the first hetu. How can it have ajnanam? There is virodha between them. So Siddhanti says, is pramana jnana svabhava of Atma or anadi nidhana sakshi chaitanya is svabhava of Atma? Anadi nidhana. Anadi nidhana. How will you do samasa vigraha?
आदि न विद्यते यस्य अनादिः तस्य निधनम्
No. Nidhanam means?
अंतम्
कारणं
निधन means नाश, अंत, मृत्यु. इनका निधन हो गया. निधन means is gone. So निधन means नाश, अंत. So anadi, anta. So you have to do in this way. Adischa antascha iti adi antam samahar dvandva. Na adi antam, antam means nidhana. Adischa nidhanancha iti anadi nidhanam. Na adischa nidhanancha iti adi nidhanam. Na adi nidhanam, anadi nidhanam. Means the nakara will go with both. Neither adi nor nidhana. Sakshi Chaitanya, which has neither beginning nor end, is that the Chaitanya Swabhava of Atma. Or Pramana Jnana Swabhava. Pramana Jnana means what he is asking is what is opposed to ajnanam. कूटस्थ साक्षी चैतन्य is opposed to अज्ञानम, और ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य is contradictory to अज्ञानम, opposed to अज्ञानम. So not the kutastha chaitanya. Kutastha chaitanya and ajnanam doesn't have virodha. Therefore, kutastha chaitanya, the sakshi chaitanya, can be ashraya of ajnanam. Ajnanam has virodha only with the brahmakara vritti avachinna chaitanya. So adyam pratyah ajnanam atrayate. तस्य प्रमात्र प्रमेय प्रमिति लक्षण विभाग घटित स्वभावस्य प्रमाण ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्वेन अनादि सिद्ध आत्म स्वभावत्व असंभवात्. प्रमात्र प्रमेय प्रमिति लक्षण विभाग will produce praman. That is how pramana jnanam takes place. स्वभावस्य प्रमाण ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्वात्. Because of ajnanam only you have this vibhaga, and therefore that jnanam can be virodhi of ajnanam. अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्वेन अनादि सिद्ध आत्म स्वभावत्व. अनादि सिद्ध आत्म स्वभाव is not virodhi of ajnana. So there is no virodha. It can be ashraya. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.